These 2 days, the price of the cryptocurrency Luna once fell below $2. The market value once dropped to $1.1 billion, while USD fell below $0.21. It is in a state of serious decoupling from the dollar. Luna fell as much as 98%. Luna Coin, which was once called the rookie of cryptocurrency by cryptocurrency players, has been blood-washed recently, once from the lowest point of $0.12 all the way up to $119.5. It also reached the highest market value of $41 billion. Why did Luna plummet? It's very simple. The project was done by the Koreans. He said he wanted to do e-commerce. Luna is equivalent to Amazon stock. UST equivalent to USD. You mortgage Luna worth $1. He will send you an UST. Why do I need USD? Because he told you, I'll give you 20% interest every year. Where does interest come from? He said that in the future, after my e-commerce platform is built, interest will be paid to you with trading profits. In fact, we all know that this is a fraud. But to look more real, he told you again, I will take 20% of your mortgage Luna to buy BTC as security deposit. What does that mean? It means that if USD is not worth $1, people don't want to deposit money. I will buy back USD with BTC. I promise has worth $1. In fact, it is to buy BTC with your money, then use the BTC appreciation money to pay you interest. In a bull market, this mode is okay. Once the bear market, this is the simplest P2P fraud model. The reason why Luna is facing such a situation of irreparable destruction, it is entirely due to its design error. It is different from most stable currencies that provide various asset mortgages. Arrow SD matched with Luna. That is, the recent common UST. This so-called algorithm stabilizes the currency. Its mechanism for maintaining stability is not based on asset mortgage. Instead, it relies on the algorithm of mutual exchange between Luna and UST. It's like 3 supermarkets. They have issued stored value cards that can be consumed in their own supermarkets. The supermarket said that our family not only has complete goods, but also has good quality and low price, and the financial strength is strong. Therefore, I will never misappropriate the customer's stored value card funds. The balance of each dollar stored value card owned by the customer corresponds to the deposit in our supermarket account one by one. The supermarket said, although our family's capital is not as strong as supermarket, however, the inventory of commodities is sufficient. Every time we issue a stored value card of $1, inventory goods worth at least $2 need to be mortgaged. So even if our supermarket closes down, customers with stored value cards, he can also avoid loss by selling inventory goods at a discount. Supermarket C said that our family has neither the funds to honor the commitments nor the inventory of goods. But if you deposit our stored value card, we promise to provide 20% annual interest return, and the balance of the stored value card can be converted into shares of our supermarket at any time at a fixed original share price. Share the unlimited benefits of future growth. Supermarket A and Supermarket B are common dollar asset reserves in the market. C supermarket is Luna, equivalent to supermarket shares, and us are equivalent to Terra behind the stored value card. This stablecoin issuance modes. After this translation, I believe anyone can see the difference. The first two can deal with the concentrated run of holders to a large extent. The latter can do nothing about it. UST can maintain stability. It relies on the fixed exchange rate between the algorithm and Luna. However, the value of Luna has to depend on the value of UST, and the income can remain stable. Therefore, and so-called algorithm is stable. In fact, it is a circular stability paradox. It looks very enjoyable, but it is extremely untrue. Optimistic in the market. Shanfeng Bureau of Capital Inflow. Luna and us can use the fixed exchange rate specified by the algorithm to each other. Luna gets higher valuation. UST obtains a larger issuance scale. But this kind of circulation is in the adverse wind situation of market weakness. It will also play a similar role in the opposite direction. Bring collapse to the whole Terra ecology. All the stored value cards you issued were thunderstruck. What's the use of your supermarket shares when the holders of Luna and us lose confidence in Terra? Today's panic selling is inevitable. The worst thing is to take the whole market down. There may be a rebound, and then continue to explore.